Hey, hi, hello. What is up, everyone? Welcome back. Nice to see you again. If you're new here, my name is Linnea, and this is a space where we are trying to become semi-self-sufficient, where we garden, we can, we do sourdough, we do fun recipes. So if that's something you're interested in, consider subscribing. If not, well, thanks for being here. All right, so my last video, I used the Creuset everyday pan for the first time, and it was fantastic and it was great and I love it, and we're actually going to use it again in today's video. I just decided. So today's video is, in case you did not see my last video, I was gifted 3 new pots, things to cook in. I don't really know what you want to call it. I was just gifted 3 new things for the kitchen. The Creuset everyday pan was one of them, and I used it for the first time, and I just did a little review. My first initial impressions. I thought it was great. The next thing that I got, this was from my sister-in-law. It's really heavy. She gifted me the Finex 12-inch cast iron skillet. This one did come with a lid. I know you have to pay extra for the lid. She told me, she said, I just thought you needed the lid, so I got you the one with the lid. So she got me the one with the lid. It is very heavy, so hold on. This is what the inside looks like. I will admit I did use this last night. We did tostadas for dinner, and I did use this for the ground beef, and it worked amazingly. There was absolutely no sticking at all. So as for my first impression of this pan, is that it? Yeah. Works really, really well. But I have decided for dinner tonight we are going to be making deep dish pizzas in this cast iron. But I also decided that we're going to do 2 pizzas because we always like to have leftovers for the next day. So I decided I'm going to do 1 pizza in the Finex, and then I'm going to do 1 pizza in the Creuset everyday pan because it is enamel cast iron. So that's what we're going to do today. I'm going to, I'll link the recipe for the pizza down below. I'm not going to show exact measurements or anything like that. You're just going to come with me and I'm going to make it. And then we're going to tell you what we think of the Finex 12-inch cast iron pan. The one thing I will say is I do know they used to be their own company until I believe 2019, and then Lodge bought them. So there's that. Anyway, I'm gonna go make this pizza dough, and we'll let it rest in the kitchen for a couple hours before we actually cook tonight. So let's just go make some pizza. So I do have my oven preheating to 450 degrees. Also, the recipe that I am following does say you can only let your dough rise after you make it for 15 minutes. I did it for 2 hours. Mostly because that's just how I wanted to do it, but it does say you can do that in the recipe. And then it says basically to do this and do not push the dough up the sides. So that's what I'm gonna do. Then I'm gonna sauce, cheese. I am not gonna make both pizzas the same like flavor, so that's how they'll be different. But yeah. Okay, so the one thing that this recipe says to do is to cover your cast iron with foil for the first 15 minutes and then uncover it for the last 7 minutes. And I'm fully aware that the Finex came with a lid and so did the Le Creuset. But the Le Creuset, the lid is not rated to go in the oven at 450 degrees. So to keep them both even, I'm just gonna use foil, even though this pan does have a lid. I'm just gonna use foil to keep it as even as possible in the cooking experience. So I'm gonna do covered for 15 minutes, and then I'm gonna uncover it and then do it for another 7. Alright, this has been sitting here for just a little bit. We're going to attempt to get it out of the pan. I think it should come out. It doesn't feel stuck, so we're going to attempt to get it out of the pan. I have the other one in the oven, the Le Creuset one. So I think we're going to get this one out and cut it and then wait for the other one to get done. So, I'm not going to show my face because I actually look like a dumpster fire today. But I did a terrible job of actually showing the pizzas last night, so I apologize. But what I can tell you is the Finex had very, very, very minimal sticking. There was just like one spot of the crust that we had trouble getting the pizza out. And I honestly did not oil the bottom of the Finex very well at all. The Le Creuset, I felt like I put a ton of olive oil in the bottom of this. Like I felt like the dough was essentially like drowning in oil. But the pizza stuck to the Le Creuset so terribly. We could barely get it out. Essentially the pizza did not really have much of a bottom like crust after we got it out. It was fine, but that's how this one worked. The Finex worked amazingly. Now, is it just a regular cast iron skillet? Yes, it is. So take the actual Finex brand with a grain of salt. It functions really well. I personally think it looks really, really pretty. But I know everyone's style is different. And it was a gift. I did not purchase it myself. So, that also influences my opinion on this. If anybody has any questions about it, just drop it in the comments below. I'll leave the recipe for the pizza in the description. And the next video, it's gonna be that bad boy right there. We're gonna do some sourdough in it. Alright, so with all of that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!